Hello, my name is Marilyn, and this is my presentation for the book review assignment for Project 1. So my website is called the T on Books, and you get reviews on more than 4,000 books available on our database. So when you get to the landing page, you click on the Explore button, and this brings you to the login page if you're a returning user, or register if you're a new user. So let's say mariana@mar.com. We create a new account, and passwords have to match and be 8 characters minimum for the register key to unmute. No, this has to be more than 8 characters. So register. Success, you can log in now. So mariana.com, and welcome, Mariana. So on our homepage, you can view nice quotes on a carousel, search, or logout. So we go to the search page, and here, if you don't specify anything, just click on the search button. It presents all the books in our database. There you have a lot of books. So let's specify, let's search for blue. And as you can see, it narrows down and shows us only those that have blue in them. And let's go into the steel blue. And this gives us specific information about this one book. So Goodreads rating, average of 4.15, and all that, and all the reviews that the book has come to the bottom of it. So let's give it a 5-star and say, nice book, I liked reading it, and give a comment. And as you can see, Mariana has added a comment at the bottom, and you can only give one review per book. So let's give it a 3-star and say maybe okay, comment. And sorry, you can only review once. Yeah, and then to check the API version of this book, you click on this link instead of just typing it on the search bar at the top. And it shows you the title, the author, the year, the ISBN, review count, average score. And in case you search for an API ISBN number that is not part of our database, let's say search 44 error, page not found. So go back, and we made our website responsive for different screens. As you can see, it still looks good. Yep. So we go ahead and log out, and it takes you back to a home page. So I think we have fulfilled all the requirements. So let me show you my code. These are my application.py, and this is my import.py for sending the books to the database. So that's all. Thank you for watching.